I'm looking at a Dawn 6LQ, which is a vintage Australian made 6-inch quick release vise. It was pretty rusty when I got it, so it's had to clean up and a coat of paint. It's got a phosphor bronze main nut, a half nut. It sits in the back. You can see it sitting in there. Another phosphor bronze piece, which is the quick release handle. This one's cracked in one spot and has had a repair in another. And it's got the main screw where you'd expect it. And so with the slide partially inserted, you can see the quick release lever is here. It's got a spring here, a little nut here, and it goes onto a inch by 12-inch flat bar piece. That's the bottom of the main nut there. There's a little slot in it, and then this is just a piece of flat bar screwed to the bottom of the static jaw. And when you turn the quick release handle, it pulls the main nut away from the screw. And I'll pop the vise back on its feet and we'll have a look at how that works. Alright, so the dynamic slide is in. You can see the quick release lever down here and the normal one here. So if we push this in and slide it in and out without turning anything, it bites as you expect.